One, two, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Peg plus cat. Peg plus cat. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, come on, let's go. 4, 5, 6. Hey, what do you know? 7, 8, 9. Oh, what comes next?
10?
10. You're the best. We are two. Na 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 na. Me plus you. Na 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 na. We're peg plus
Cat!
peg plus
Cat!
peg plus peg plus cat.
It's a train problem. I'll never make it. Wait for me.
Hi, I'm Peg, and this is Cat, and we're riding the Peg Plus Cat Express.
Can I pull a whistle now? Can I?
Not yet, Cat. Cat's the engineer who drives the train. I'm the conductor who makes sure everything's running smoothly. And see that hat? That's Mac in the back manning the caboose.
Most people like the engine, but my heart has always been in my caboose.
Tonight, we're making a trip all the way from Chattanooga to Kathmandu.
Can I pull a whistle now? Can I? Please?
Not yet, Cat. We still need passengers. So, all aboard! We're gonna choo-choo out of Chattanooga on our way to Kathmandu. So step right up and watch your step. I'll punch your ticket as you pass through. There's cars for sleeping.
A car for eating.
And one where your bags are stored.
We're gonna choo-choo out of Chattanooga, so choo-choo all aboard!
It's the amazing scientist Marie Curie.
Pardon me, Peg. Is that the cat who drives a choo-choo?
Why, yes, I am.
Read the swim map. Are you still collecting those glowing rocks?
I stuffed a couple inside my socks, but I also brought 6 lollipops.
Ludwig van Beethoven, he writes like the best tunes ever.
Peg und Cat, you both know that I love composing symphonies. Leaving town, I wrote them down and brought along all 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one's 5.
It's Nimrod the Clown. Watch your big shoes as you enter the train.
I lose it completely when clowns entertain.
And look, she brought 7 bananas.
So funny.
And here comes the farmer with his 100 chickens.
I brought 10 trays and each tray holds 10, so I can count my chicks and never lose them.
Gee, welcome aboard.
Can I pull a whistle, Peg, now? Now?
Looks like everybody's on board. So go ahead, Cat. Pull that.
Not so fast.
Inspector Ramon, what are you doing here?
And why are you keeping me from pulling my whistle?
Sorry, Cat, but I've been hot on the trail of a thief who might be on this train.
We'll keep a lookout for any suspicious behavior, Inspector.
Do what you can.
Well, what are you waiting for, Cat? Pull that whistle.
Oh, goody, goody, goody. Finally.
We're gonna choo-choo out of Chattanooga on our way to
Kathmandu.
Ooh, are those lemon lollies?
Sorry, I can't give you one. I need all 6.
I sure love to lick lemon lollies.
Whoa! There are boulders all over the tracks up ahead.
And our train is heading right towards them.
This is a big problem. Luckily, the Peg Plus Cat Express has special abilities. If Cat pushes the steering lever up, the train can go above them. Above!
Above, what does that mean again?
It means to go up and over something.
Oh, yeah. Above!
No problem, see?
What I see is a big clag hanging down.
No!
Don't worry, the Peg Plus Cat Express can also go below.
And that means
shaken up.
but safe and sound.
Great. And so, problem solved. The problem is solved.
We solved the problem.
Oh, what is it, Marie Curie?
My lollipops. I only have 2 left. Look. 1, 2.
You sure you brought more?
I had 6.
Well, if you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lollipops, then now you only have 1, 2. Then that means 1, 2, 3, 4 lollipops are gone. 6 subtract 4 equals 2. Subtract is another word for take away. So 4 Marie Curie's lollipops were subtracted, taken away from her lolly supply. I'm beginning to think there's a thief on... And that's a really big problem.
I know who the thief is. Exactly. The thief must be
Ludwig van Beethoven.
What? Why me?
Your love of licking lemon lollies led you to larceny, Ludwig.
You lifted those lollies, didn't you, Ludwig? Huh? Didn't ya? Didn't ya?
I couldn't have. I've been busy doodling. See?
Doodles of poodles. Nice.
Nimrod the clown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 honks.
That means she had 7 bananas.
2 honks.
She only has 2 bananas now. She's right. Only 2 left. If she started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bananas, and now she only has 2, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas have been stolen. 7 subtract 5 equals 2.
And it happened while we were all watching Beethoven.
So Beethoven couldn't be the thief.
Yeah, it's got to be the funner. Huh? You took the lollipops for yourself.
And the bananas for your chickens.
Piss up, farmer. It was you, wasn't it? The whole time, it was you.
It wasn't me.
Yeah.
You gotta believe me.
Oh, then where were you just now?
Telling a bedtime story to my chickens. See?
Oh, that's sweet.
So then who took the bananas?
Someone has stolen my symphonies. I only have 2 left.
You started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symphonies, and now you only have 2. So that means 1, 2, 3 symphonies have been stolen. 5 subtract 3 equals 2. What happened?
I've only got 9 trays of chickens. I'm supposed to have 10.
The thief strikes again.
If I count backwards from 10 to 9, 10, 9, that only took 1 step. Counting backwards is another way to subtract.
So that means only 1 tray is missing?
Yep, 10 subtract 1 equals 9.
Yeah, but there were 10 chickens in that one tray.
10 chickens?
So we're missing 10 chickens, 3 symphonies, 5 bananas, and 4 lollipops.
All of our passengers have had things stolen.
Which means none of them could have been the thief.
Then who is it? Who is it?
Everything is being stolen from right under our noses, and I am totally freaking The thunderstorm blew trees and rocks onto the tracks. Go below!
Below!
Above!
Above!
Below!
Below!
Above below!
Above below! That was nerve-wracking.
Is everyone okay?
Okie dokie.
Except for those bumps woke up all my chicks. Almost all of them.
Whoa! That is one loud chicken snore.
It's Mac!
Oh, always past my bedtime, so I took a little snooze. But if you're here, then who's wearing your hat back there?
Big Mouth?
It's all the missing stuff.
But how could Big Mouth have stolen all of this without anyone seeing him?
Because he's quick.
Inspector Ramon!
Congratulations, Peg. You found the thief I've been looking for.
But why did he do it?
And how?
Simple. Marie Curie had no reason to worry with her little yellow lollipop bouquet. But when she turned her back, he decided to subtract. 'Cause subtract means take away.
Of course!
means take away.
But what about Beethoven's symphonies? They weren't little and yellow.
Yeah.
But those doodles,
The doodles.
the doodles of poodles.
They were little, they were yellow.
They were oodles and
And
oodles.
when Ludwig got distracted,
Big Mouth just reacted and subtracted.
And subtracted.
so keep your eye on your chickens before the plot thickens or fall victim to his foul play.
Don't be diverted by follies.
Hang on to your lollies.
Cause subtract means take away. Oh yeah, subtract means take away.
Me charmy.
We forgive you, big guy.
Don't let it happen again.
Hey everybody, we're pulling into Catmandu.
We made it with all of our stuff.
And so